Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make strawberry caprese bruschetta. Cue the music. Well, thanks so much for joining us. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make strawberry caprese bruschetta. So let's head down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got some strawberries, a nectarine, 1 shallot, some goat cheese, balsamic vinegar, sugar, olive oil, fresh basil, cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, and a half a loaf of French bread. All these measurements for these ingredients will be down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Anyway, we got our ingredients, let's start prepping it up. Alright, all I basically want to do is I want to start with my bread. I want to get this on a sheet tray cut up the way I want it, and I want to bake it in the oven because I want the bread to be hard and crispy, because I want to spread our goat cheese on that, and it's a little hard to spread goat cheese on bread that is soft. So I'm going to cut this a couple different ways. I'm going to do 3 little medallions like that, and then I'm going to cut what I have left in half, and then cut that in half as well, just so we can kind of get 2 little sandwich looking loaves on there as well. So that's how I've got my bread. I'm going to throw this into the oven, get this nice and firm and toasty, and then we're going to start prepping up our other ingredients. Alright, got our cutting board all cleared off here. I'm going to go ahead and start with the strawberries. Just going to basically take the tops off of these. They have been washed, as with the tomatoes and the nectarine. All the produce has been washed. Take, and I'm going to dice them. Just like that. They're going to go into the bowl. Tomatoes, same thing. Instead of dicing them, I'm just going to quarter them. Just like that, into the bowl. We got our shallot. We're just going to mince this up really well. Add that to the bowl as well. Our basil, we're going to chiffonade some of this up, and we're going to save some of it for a garnish for on top of the bruschetta when it's done. So I'm just going to chiffonade this up real quick. Here's a link to a video that I made about chiffonade. Just roll this up. That goes in the bowl as well. Alright, so we've got all the ingredients cut up in there. Olive oil goes in next. Vinaigrette, balsamic vinegar, the sugar. Forgot the salt and pepper in the list of ingredients, so we're just going to put some finely cracked pepper and some kosher salt right in there. And I'm just going to mix this. You can use a spoon. I like to do it with my hands because then I can see and feel the ingredients. That smells wonderful. Get all that basil off of there. There's our mixture we're going to put on top of that bread. We're going to put on some cheese first, but the bread's about ready to come out of the oven, so let's move on to our next step. Alright, our bread came out of the oven, nice and crispy. We're just going to put our cheese on there now. You can find your goat cheese pretty much anywhere in the store where you live. It is in the specialty cheese area if you can't find it anywhere else, or over with the artisan foods or whatever you've got in your store or in your area. Yeah, I don't like that one. It's not working so well with this. So I'm going to focus on the medallions here. So what we're going to do with the medallions is we're going to throw them back into the oven to melt that cheese. Okay, bread's out. I'm going to just, yeah, that cheese spreads a lot easier. So I've got that on there. I'm going to put 3 of them on this plate. Careful not to burn yourself. I'm just going to take our topping of the bruschetta. I'm just going to put it on top. That's what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off with garnishing, making it look pretty. We're going to take photos of this and put it into the timeline of the video here with some really groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So enjoy those pictures and enjoy the music. Here we have the beautiful bruschetta, strawberry caprese bruschetta. I'm going to try to take a bite out of this. Wow. A lot of flavor going on in there. First thing that hit me, strawberries, and the acidity of that vinaigrette, a little sweetness from the sugar, and that tomato, the acidity from the tomato as well, and that basil kind of like hits it afterwards, creaminess of the cheese, the crunchiness of the bread, it all kind of works together. Very good flavor. I'm gonna have another bite, but the strawberry stands out, I think, among all this. The tomato comes in a good second. Put more cheese in that one. This would be a great appetizer. It'd be great for parties. Any kind of get together you have in the summer. Good summer appetizer. Easy to make. You can get all the ingredients pretty much anywhere. Appreciate you watching. I'm Chef John Politte. You've been watching It's Only Food. Make sure you like the channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know how I did. And then share this video and this channel with everybody that you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.